Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anmol.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Yash.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shivani.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Simajit. Okay, so good. So out of 10, 4 have come. Let's see who else joins. And then we will start at sharp 5:05. Okay, so good evening, all participants. I think as of now we have only 4. We will wait for a few others if they join. Otherwise, we are going to start. The topic which I have chosen today is uh, suggested by one of you only. It has come from you all. Career women lead better life than housewives. यानी कि जो महिलाएं काम करती हैं वो घर में रहने वाली महिलाओं से गृहिणियों से ज्यादा अच्छा लाइफ जीती हैं. नाउ एक अच्छा लाइफ जीने का डेफिनेशन, इट इज वेरी टफ टू फाइंड आउट कि व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ गुड लाइफ. But what I feel, I think what you also will feel, that if you are satisfied, you got up in the morning, you work the whole day, and in the night when you are going to sleep, that time if you are satisfied, you are happy with your routine, happy with your family, happy with your life, it means that you are living a satisfied life. So we have for and against. The person who are for the motion, they will say that career women or working women, they are leading a happy life, a satisfaction full of life. And those who are against, they will say that no, even a homemaker is leading a good life, and they are in many ways better than career women or working women. Fine. So let me see. The first speaker today is going to be Shivani, and Shivani is going to back up homemakers. Homemakers lead better life than career women. Then we have again Anmol, and Anmol also is, oh my goodness. So as of now, we have 4 participants, and all 4 are against, means they are going to support homemakers. Shivani is against, Anmol is also against, Yash also is against, and Simarjit also is against. So not a problem. I'm going to listen to all of you, and if anyone is willing to change, because we don't have anyone in for, you can change your this thing side, but it's okay. The purpose of debate is mainly to enhance your spoken skills and to improve yourself, so not to worry. So first speaker is going to be Shivani, then second is going to be Anmol, third Yash, and fourth Simarjit. If anybody joins in between, he or she will also present their topic. So fine, Shivani, I will request you to start.
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening to everyone. My point of view is working woman is very sincere. According to this society, especially a working housewife, a working housewife gets more respect in her family as compared to non-working women. But if you consider the scenario in rural areas, a non-working housewife are preferred, more respected. In these areas, working status of women is not appreciated by the society. For her husband, a working housewife is better as she could contribute to the family economically as well. But still, there are people who conservative minded, who hesitate to let their wives work and gain status than they deserve, and call the society is conservative, whatever you said. And for her child, a non-working mother is better as she could spend more time with her parenting the child and inhibiting the essential childhood habits. I'm not saying that working mother is not a good parent, but considering the cases in criminal offenses by babies, if would very personally and perceptives and so let it be a working woman is very cool.
Right, Shivani, thank you for putting your point. But whenever you are speaking, at least that time your camera should be on. Now,
Camera off, huh?
yes, camera was off. Requesting Anmol to take up. Second speaker.
Good evening, all of you. Today our topic is career woman leads a better life than housewife. So I am against this topic. Like I feel being a housewife and taking charge of each family member is the greatest job and greatest thing, greatest work. I think so because choosing a option that she wants to be a housewife is very I think I can say it is a very difficult decision for a woman also because she has an option that she can also work because it is also happened that she is so much educated, she is very talented, she is very skillful, but um, rather than choosing a career or rather than choosing working outside, she chose to work at home. She chose to take care of her family members. She chose to take care of her children, her family members. So I think housewives is more better than working ladies because I feel I always see some experience in my real life, like I always relate something, and I observe working lady also in my life, and I also observe housewife. Like in my family member, I always see that the working ladies are always unsatisfied in their life because they have so much pressure in on their head. Always they have to manage their family also, and they have to manage home also. Because if you are a working lady, it is not said that you don't have to manage your family. After that you also have to manage your family members, and you have to take care of your children's. And I feel like I have an option that if a girl or if a woman wants to work, they can work before marriage. I think so, it's my personal opinion. And after marriage, after having a children, they can give some time to their children's, and they can give some attention to their children so that their children can't be misguided by others. I feel so because I feel one. I want to add one statement more, that housewives are more responsible mother than working ladies. I feel so because they puts their efforts. They put all their efforts in their children, in their family. So I think this is the greatest achievement for the woman, to satisfy their family member, to satisfy their children, and after that with their work satisfy their own mind. I feel so. So in my opinion, being a successful housewife is more important than being a successful working lady. That's all. Thank you.
Good, Anmol. All good points you have presented. And now handing over this session to Yash as a third speaker.
So my name is Yash, and the topic I have to say is against the topic, which is uh, that career women are less uh, better than housewives. Means housewives are much better than working women. So first thing is that we have to first of all see in our society. In as we are living in India, first of all we have to see India, what it is going on in India. Particularly, we are saying that the work which is done by a woman and the work which is done by a man uh, are getting less paid than men. First of all, if suppose a teacher is there, a man teacher is there and a woman teacher is there. In most of the cases, we can see that a man teacher is paid more than a woman. So the first point is very strong, that if a woman is working, then how much she does the work, she will get less paid in our society. So now the second point, the in a family there should be an equal distribution of work accordingly. So if a man is doing the work, then the woman or the wife of the man should do the housework, so that the work is equally distributed. If all the work, if the woman and men both start working outside the house, then who will take care of the house? The most important point is that if a woman it starts working outside and then her children, her family, and she will be unable to give any time to her children first of all, and the housework also will get start spending. So the house and the children will suffer from it, and it will lead to a bad future of the children. Now the third point is that the woman women should not work outside, as we can see. Sorry, actually it was a call. So from the very beginning, from ancient days, we can see the women are working inside the house. So there must be some ideology inside it, why the woman has been given the work of house, as they are emotionally attached and they cannot work outside also. So several points are there which I have put it from my side. Thank you.
Fortunately, unfortunately, there's no one for the motion. So we all are enjoying. There's one way we are going. But at the end, I will try it, after the end of first round, I will try to put points for the motion so that in second round, you can cross me.
Sir, I also want to.
So in second round, if you have any point for the motion, you can go for that. Now
Yes.
requesting Simarjit to put his thoughts as a fourth speaker.
So, good evening, everyone. My topic is to say that housewives are the better than a career woman. So, first of all, starting with that case that a housewife is a woman is sick. In that case, it is very difficult for a career woman to get a leave from his office because when he has to say a solid reason for that. But a housewife is independent of everything. He can and take care of his health well. Also, a housewife has many opportunities to go through. Like they can make their design made through, like they can do tailoring, gardening, and many activities they are available. So it is also important for their perfect life. And one more thing, that the biggest guilt of a woman is for a career woman is to not seeing their kids to grow and under proper guidance. Many interviews have been held of a career woman. They often say that the biggest sad moment of our life that we can't see our kids growing and playing in front of us. So in case of a housewife, they can properly guide and properly teach their discipline, their how to behave with others. It plays a proper personality of the children also. According to me, parents are more important than anybody else in this society. So it is a priority of parents to be concentrate on their children. So in case of this, housewives has an edge over the career women. Also, housewives has many time to entertain. They can go to kitty parties and to movies and for picnics, etc. So that's all. Thank you.
So thanks to all four speakers for nicely carrying the first round. Now, what I think that everyone in this world, he or she comes with a purpose, right? And if a woman is having a purpose and that purpose is going to be solved only when she has to go outside and work, then she has to go outside and work, right? Now marriage is a part of life. So when you are getting married, that time both the families, family of girl, family of boy, they have to sit together and they have to check out a plan that when there will be a baby, there will be a kid in the house, how that kid is going to be managed and how the boy will work and how the girl will work. You cannot say that because you are a mom, you have to stop pursuing your purpose, your passion, and sit in the house. Okay, for a few months when the baby is very small, that time you must spend that time. But once you are the baby is big one, it has grown, then it's the responsibility of family to take care of that, and you cannot force someone to be at home because she is having a purpose and she is going behind that purpose. And I always believe that until unless I am not living my life on my term, I am not going to be happy. Right? This is a very a bold statement. If I am not living life on my term, I am not going to be happy. So this is purely decision of a girl, of a female, of a woman, that she is going to be a homemaker or she is going to be a working woman. If she is getting satisfaction by being a working woman, the family must respect that, right? And the family must give her all the support so that she can work as a mom also, and she can also go outside and work. This is my point of view. Now, in the second round, if you have any point for the motion, against the motion, it's okay. But put whatever points you have in your mind. So we'll start again with Shivani, then Anmol, then Yash and Simarjit. Shivani, start.
Sir, right, sir. आपने जो sir, working women have a choice to do do their work and give some time with children. There is no responsibility for her. मतलब sir, there is no responsibility to give them a special treatment. Then they leave her job and for their children, and they leave her job for their families, and she got stressed and she got depressive, and so then the women have not freely life in their children and their family. They are only depressed, and they suppressed her feelings with her own with their own life. And so they don't have any time so for their family and friends, and they only they they destroy their life in her way. And so that's my point.
Okay, Shivani. Anmol, your points.
Yes, sir. I think so. When their children is growing, then she can switch her career, and after some time, like when her child is able to judge what is right or what is wrong, and handle their own work, then after she can also start or pursue their career option, I think so. It is my point, first point. And second point is, I am totally agree with Dheeraj sir that if her purpose in life is that to work outside the home, then she should work outside the home. Because if her purpose is working outside, then if she will sit in the home and take care of her family member, she will not going to satisfied in her home. After so many efforts, after 100% efforts, she will have a guilt that I haven't choose my career, I haven't choose my purpose in life. So I have a guilt, and she will be in the regret that I haven't chose, and now I don't have my appropriate age to continue my passion. So I think so, according to age, according to situation, and according to different women, it it might be changed according to situation. It is her choice that what she want in life, like what she want in life, like she want to be a working lady or she wants to be a homemaker. So it's her choice totally, because there is no bad thing that she wants to be a housewife. It is also a work, it is also a very hard work. It is a very we can say कि एक तरह से बहुत सारे चीज को compromise. It is also a compromise sometimes. So I think both the things are equal, and in the both case, it's also it's totally depend on the woman that she is leading a good life or not, because it's also about the mind and perspective, that she is happy with her or not, she is giving 100% in her work or not, she is giving 100% to her house or not. If she is not giving 100% to her family, then she will never be a satisfied woman. And if she is giving 100% to work, then maybe she will be satisfied. So it's up to her that in which case she will going to be satisfied with the work. That's all.
Okay, good, Amnol. Yash.
I will speak for the motion. I will add some points. So a girl should be having a qualification so that if a condition comes where his husband, or after some time a condition comes where her family is unable to, her family condition, economic condition is not better, then she can work for it. Means if she is having a qualification and some experience of work, then she can pursue it after some time. Because as we know, a girl or a woman does not know what the situation will be after her marriage or after some time in the future, because she has to leave her home especially in India, and has to live in other in his husband's home. So what will be the economic condition over there, and what will happen after in the future? So no one has seen that, and so for that, for good, good future, she must be having a qualification and some experience so that she can work in bad conditions. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So totally agree with Yash that either a boy or a girl, they should be independent. Means if a boy can live a life independently, so the girl. So whatever skills, whatever knowledge, whatever resources are required to live an independent life, that resources, skill, talent should be with both boy and girl. Right, Simarjit, your point. Ah, Simarjit, all of a sudden he has disappeared. Right. So we are going well. Whatever we have discussed till now, that everyone has to follow what you have decided. And I will always say that being adamant or being rude or being a rebellion, withdraw karna solution nahi hai. The only solution is discussion. So if you are a boy, there is no problem. You know that you are going to work. Nobody is going to stop you. But you have to always keep in mind that if you have a mom in your house, a sister in your house, and when you're married, you have a wife in your house, you have to take care of their dreams, their passion, their ambition also in your mind, and support them wherever it is required. And if you are a girl, be very, very open to your mom and dad, your family, that what is your aim, what you want to do. And before you are entering into any relationship, you make very clear that what is the aim of your life and how you want to live your life. And both the families of boy and families of girl, they all should be agreeing to the future path of that girl, and accordingly they have to keep on supporting the entire life. Then only both partner, they are going to be happy, and the society is going to gain something out of it. Otherwise the family will be unhappy, and the family is unhappy means society is going to be unhappy. Fine. Any other points from anyone? Any other points which has missed? No, I think we have discussed all the points, right? So the summary is very simple, that working, it is purely the choice, the decision of a girl, a woman, that she wants to be a career woman, or she wants to be a homemaker, or she wants to mix a balance between these two. Nobody should be forcing that be a homemaker or be a career woman. And as per her passion, as per her decision, she has to go for that. Keep discussing with the family, so that wherever gap is coming, suppose there's a kid, he, uh, he or she is 5 years old going to a play school. So when he or she is going to come back, then who is going to take care of that baby till the time mom is coming back? So with the help of family support, she can pursue her purpose also, and she can take care of family also. So running a family is not the only, you can say, part of women's life. It's a combined effort. Everyone has to uh, be equally responsible for running their family, right? With this support only, women can work, go in society, and they can do wonderful things for this country, this world. And we have several examples. We have example of Kiran Bedi, we have example of Indra Nui, we have example of Kiran Shaw. She is the head of some biotech company. We have so many ladies in this country, in this world, and they have maintained a balance between both homemaker also and career woman also, right? So that's it. Any other point, or should we wind it up? Wind up? Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for being with us. And always I will request you that once I post the recordings on the YouTube, this is your duty to go on that channel, go through your performance, how you have spoken. Take a pen and paper, note down where you need to improve. And when you go for the debating session next time, keep in mind all those mistakes and try to not repeat those mistakes. Then only you are going to be a wonderful speaker. Otherwise, this platform is of no use. So reflection is very important. Self-reflection. How I perform in the last class. Thank you very much. We are going to meet next Sunday at 5 p.m. Bye-bye. Take care. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.